dear. Right, good morning. Oh my life, come on, fuck's sake. parklikeabellend.com. Right, good morning. I've got to go and pick some parcels up, so I thought, sod it, get the bike out. It's only 5 minutes down the road, but sod it. Right, this is a Saturday morning. If you're at a loose end tomorrow night, Sunday night, 8 PM, why don't you come and join us on a live stream? It's on a channel called Time to Go, and that's Joe. Very relaxed feel to it. Just a load of old gits chuntering away, really. We do like to moan. You can either join in the side chat, or if you feel that way, you can come and join us on camera. It is a giggle. So that's Sunday, 8 o'clock, Time to Go. That's a channel name, and the link will be on his channel to the live stream. So I've been planning routes all week. We're off to the Lake District, the Yorkshire Dales, the Pennines, the Kielder Forest in September. So I've been planning the routes for that. Good God, that's a top box and a half, isn't it? Food delivery, isn't it? Tell you what, I bet that's got some frigging weight in it when it's full up. So as I say, I'm just off to pick up some parcels. I asked the postman twice on the ring doorbell if he'd leave them, but he wouldn't. He needs a signature. All it is some spray for my glasses, hopefully stop them steaming up. I've got this from an optician's. I've watched 2 videos on it, and both have had the same trouble as me, and both have tried this and said it's better. It's not perfect, but it's better than what they were using, so we'll give it a go. £6.90 down the pan if not. No, you're going to look and you're going to walk out anyway. Excellent. Oh, don't tell me it's shut.
That's a nice bike.
It is when he's clean.
What is it? Not rod driven, is it?
Shaft drive, yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah, he's round this side.
Oh, it's that side. Just that's my iPad.
Yeah, a lot less aggro than messing around with chains.
You get that torque as well, I expect, don't you?
Oh yeah, whereas instead of the pistons going that way, it's a horizontal.
Yeah, that's what made me ask you whether it was
Yeah.
going like. You see that? Years ago in my road, everybody had a motorbike, and there was an old rod-driven Sunbeam in there.
Oh, lovely.
BSAs and all the rest of it. And unfortunately, about 3 of the people living in my street got killed. Like,
Yeah.
But,
Trouble is these days with them, it's all electronic, so the suspension adjusts itself automatically.
I bet it's a nice ride, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
So it's a touring bike more than anything.
Yeah, and it comes with all the boxes and everything, so. But yeah, he sounds lovely.
I don't know anything about bikes. I know like the old stuff, the BSAs and the Nortons and all that. This is a Honda RD400.
Oh.
And it's a really quick bike. And, like
yeah, the Yamaha RD, yeah, they were lovely.
Like rocking all shit to find them.
Yeah.
They got this power band in them.
Yeah.
He said he had motorbikes all his life, and he's in his 60s. He said he's on Portland. They put it all back together. He said he went to go round this bus. He said the power bank kicked it.
Oh yeah, the bloody wheel straight up.
Shot down the road and said, worth quite a bit of money. And there was another, was there Triumph make a little like 125 like Triumph Tiger Cub, was it?
Oh yeah, years ago, yeah.
Years ago.
Yeah.
He bought one of them in boxes now, all in spares. Like
Blimey. That'd be worth a few bob if he gets that all up together.
I can only just remember that. Yeah, Tiger Cub.
Yeah. Is that where you live, is it, Portland?
Well, I used to live on Portland.
I grew up over there.
Did you really?
My parents had the Mermaid down Wakeham.
Did they?
In the pub, yeah.
Yeah, I used to go in there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Now it turns out this chap not only used to live where I did on a small island in Dorset, but used to go in my parents' pub, and he also knew everybody that I know. We spent nearly 20 minutes chatting about bikes, the island, the locals on the island, and absolutely anything and everything. He made my day and just goes to show what a conversation starter bikes can be. Yep, even a GS. Yeah, can't hear you, he says. Take care. Brilliant, that just goes to show you never know who you're going to see, get talking to. He knows a lot of people I know. Absolutely brilliant. Just goes to show, doesn't it? Get talking about a bike and leads you there and everywhere. Yeah, lovely. I love that good old chat there with he. I love it though when you start reminiscing about the good old days. And this bloody shite these days, that's for sure. Oh dear, let's have a bimble along the seafront. Right, stop getting distracted, you asshole. Start talking about something and finish it. Fucking terrible. Some lovely little bloody houses down here. Does suffer with a lot of flooding down here though. I don't think it reaches the houses, but certainly the gardens get plenty underwater. Although he has got sandbags by his door, so perhaps it does. It's a lovely little village. Now this place on the right, there's the river, look. That place there, that garden, gets terribly underwater. Up the steep hill. Tumbledown Farm. Gotta love some of the names for stuff, in you. I really enjoyed that chat with that old boy. Brilliant. Oh, well, I remember I also bought myself the sunshade for the TFT screen. And I was looking at the prices of those over here. Mental for a bit of plastic. So then I looked on AliExpress. Most of them were 9, 10, 11 quid. And then I saw one £2.19. I thought this is a wind up. It's going to be one of these when you click on it. And £2.19 is probably for a screw that holds it on or something. Nope. £2.19. So with tax and delivery, I think it was £3.6, something like that. Clip straight on, perfect fit, just a job. Just the job. Right, let's have a go round here. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just having a bimble. While I'm out on it, I thought, sod it, let's stay on it. I can remember years ago when the Toyota Supras were out back in the 80s. Came flying across there, thought he'd have a drift, and binned it straight through that fence and straight into the bloody water culvert there. Not so cocky now, are ya?